Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to add a tick mark or tick symbol on Excel sheets. So let's start the tutorial. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. Notice on my screen for this tutorial, I am using a new blank workbook sheet. Now I want to add one new tick mark in F7 cell. So I will show you two methods. First one using the menu bar and the second one using the formula. So first let's use the menu bar. From the menu bar, click the insert tab. In the insert tab, notice at the last there is a symbols option here. Click that one. In the symbols there is a symbol option. Now here we got the symbols. Now in the font, from the font, open that one. Just select the Sigo open this one. Type Sigo UI symbol. Sigo UI symbol font and subset use a dingbats. Now you can see the tick marks here. Select one of the tick mark. So first you need to go to the font, Sigo UI symbol and dingbat subsets. That's it. Click insert. Close it. So here we got the tick mark here. Let's put this in the center. Bold. Now the next method, using the formula, I'm selecting the G9 cell to add the tick mark. The formula is equals to unique char. The number of the unique char for tick mark is 1003. Enter. So here we got the tick mark. Bold. Put in the center. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to add a tick marks in Excel sheets using two methods, using the formula and the second one using the menu methods. That's it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel. Catch you in my next video tutorial.